Hey guys, Dan House Washing Heroes doing this job in Bridgeman Downs. So this is a regular client we have been looking after for quite a few years now. Quite a large home. We park one ute on one side, so this ute over here and the other ute around the other side, and we've got close to 100 meters of hose, so we can reach all the way around and including all the way down to the front entry there. So there's a bit of sandstone, we pre-treat it, look after it, and because we've been looking after it for a few years now, it comes up quite easily and quickly. So we also do all this curbing for the client as well, just because when we clean the property, the home looks so good. If we don't do the curbing and everything around it, it stands out. So we always make sure that we make everything look smick, and that's all the back area as well. So bit of an intricate job, even though it's quite large. The materials and things, we always have to make sure that we don't put too much pressure on them, particularly with the sandstone blocks. We don't want to start digging holes into that. So we treat it, we use a medium amount of pressure, and it comes out quite nice. So, and little touches, like we'll do the wheelie bins for the client, and under where the wheelie bins go, and all the paths and everything's treated, and yeah, it's a lovely home. All right guys, we'll keep on going, enjoying this weather. Bye.